Making beer is like going on perpetual vacation. I started brewing with my grandfather 30 years ago. My name is Peter Chiodo. My company is Flying Monkeys Craft Brewery, Brewery, Ontario, Canada.
I'm Andrea Chiodo, and I'm the creative director.
Technology is the foundation and the pillar for everything we do. In my view, the hardest part is sharing information and the velocity of change of that information. How do you get it to your employees quickly and accurately? That's the key.
It is so typical in our brewery to see someone walking around with a tablet in one hand. You know they have their smartphone in their back pocket, and they're 3 steps away from a laptop. And it's not because we've kind of dehumanized the brewery, it's actually made us more connected.
We use cloud-based platform that essentially incorporates all facets of our business, from in the field to in the brew house, so that everybody has access to information from everybody else's department. It's a very collaborative software.
Because that's the biggest challenge, especially in a small business like a craft brewery where we're creating a lot of different products, we're moving really quickly.
And whether we're in Asia or Europe or South America, we have access to that data at any time.
Everybody in the brewery has to know what's going on. There's no small actors and there are no small parts.
Technology is the backbone of our expansion philosophy. We've grown at 16% per year, and we couldn't have done it without a huge investment in technology.
Technology allows creativity free rein. You allow your brand to take on a life of its own. When I see somebody that takes a can of our beer and puts it up against a graffiti wall in Cincinnati, Ohio, and share it, they've just created a brand piece for me. That's a really cool piece of marketing. And so I love the fact that our creative becomes very interactive. It makes us feel like the local brewery wherever we are.